Ranch. It's a perfect flavor explosion that knows no bounds. You can eat it on anything and with anything. Do you have that friend that just puts ranch on everything, on their pizza, on their pasta? This recipe's for you. In this Instant Pot ranch chicken recipe, it's cooked right into the dish. Hey guys, it's Rachel, the McCormick food stylist and chef. Today, I'm at Flavor Makers, and I'm super excited to share a few of my favorite hacks and tips in some delicious recipes. They're easy, simple, and packed full of flavor. This has changed the dinner game. I love the Instant Pot because it's quick, it's easy, and you can walk away while it cooks. For a small appliance, it packs a big punch. With it, you can pressure cook, you can slow cook, you can cook rice, you can steam, you can saute, and you can even keep food warm after cooking. Just go to McCormick.com and you can find all the recipes you'll ever need. First things first, I'm going to place 1 cup of water in my Instant Pot. I'm gonna spray the pan first. So I'm taking some non-stick cooking spray and I'm going to spray the inside of my Instant Pot. I don't want my chicken to stick, I don't want my cheese to stick, I want everything to slide out really nice and easy. So then I'm taking 1 cup of water, I'm going to add it to the bottom of my pot, and then here I have 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to take them and place them in the bottom of my Instant Pot. And then I'm taking some whipped cream cheese. I love whipped cream cheese because it's airy, it's light, and it's easy to spread on my chicken. I'm dolloping the whipped cream cheese on top of my chicken. It's super nice and fluffy and light, and it's gonna be so delicious. It's really easy to use, but it has all the same flavor as regular cream cheese. Now, here comes the wickedly flavorful secret ingredient, McCormick Instant Pot Ranch Chicken Seasoning Mix. This seasoning smells so good. It has all the flavor right in this packet. You just sprinkle it right over the top of your chicken, close the lid, seal the top on, and set it to cook. Read a book, call your mom, engage in that thing influencers like to call self-care. You've got a full 20 minutes. You'll know when your ranch chicken is done because you'll see the timer go off and the quick release will happen and the steam will come out, but be careful. Don't put your hands right over the steam. When you open up this valve, your house is going to be filled with the scent of ranch deliciousness. I'm going to take my chicken out. They'll have that delicious creamy ranch sauce on them. I like to use 2 forks, and I just like to shred the chicken. Look how nice and easy that shreds. That Instant Pot just breaks apart your chicken. You can shred it as fine or as thick as you want it. While I'm shredding my chicken, I like to put some cheddar cheese in my Instant Pot. I want it to melt. The flavor is just combining with that cheese. It's gonna make it extra, extra creamy. So I have that really nice and shredded. My cheese is nice and melted. So add that back in. I want all the chicken to be covered in that delicious ranch sauce. Look at how creamy and delicious this looks. I literally want to eat this right now. I mean, this is literally heaven on earth, guys. So now we're ready to plate it up. So I have some pasta here on this plate. You can serve it up with pasta, rice, or even use this in leftovers in sandwiches. So I'm gonna add a really nice scoop on the top of my pasta. And of course, get a little extra of that ranch sauce. This smells and looks amazing. And of course we have to garnish, we have to make things look pretty. I'm the food stylist, of course. So I like to sprinkle with a little bit of green onion and a little bit of bacon because you can't have a ranch dish without bacon. And look at that. You have to make this recipe. It's so easy and so delicious. Make sure you like and subscribe to McCormick on YouTube so you can check out all the Flavor Maker videos.